Hi, in this video we will talk about role of public administration in developing and developed societies. Public administration plays a crucial role in shaping the socio-economic and political systems of both developing and developed societies. However, its functions, priorities and challenges differ based on the level of development. Now, role in developing societies. Example, India. Developing countries face challenges such as poverty, inequality, unemployment, and weak infrastructure. Here, public administration plays a transformative and developmental role. Now, development administration focus on economic growth and social transformation, implementation of welfare schemes and development programs. Poverty alleviation and social justice ensures equitable distribution of resources, supports marginalized groups through policies and schemes. Nation building strengthens democratic institutions, promotes unity in diverse societies. Infrastructure development builds roads, schools, hospitals, and basic services. Policy implementation plays a key role in executing government plans effectively. Administrative reforms improves governance through transparency, accountability, and efficiency. In developing societies, public administration is change oriented and growth focused. Now, role in developed societies. Developed countries have advanced economies and stable institutions. Here, public administration plays a more regulatory and service oriented role. Now, efficient service delivery ensures high quality public services like healthcare, education, and transport. Regulatory functions maintains law, order, and economic regulations, controls markets, and ensures fair competition. Welfare state management manages social security systems, pensions, and employment benefits. Policy innovation focus on innovation, research, and technological advancement. Good governance promotes transparency, accountability, and citizens' participation. In developed societies, public administration is efficiency oriented and citizen centric. Key differences. Now, focus in developing societies, it is growth and development. In developed societies, it is efficiency and quality. Role transformative, regulatory, priority. Poverty alleviation, infrastructure. In developed societies, it is service delivery, innovation. Administration type, development administration, managerial, and regulatory. Now, common roles in both. Despite differences, public administration performs some common functions: policy implementation, maintenance of law and order, public service delivery, promotion of welfare and development, crisis and disaster management. Emerging trends, both contexts: digital governance, e-governance, public-private partnerships, citizen-centric administration, sustainable development goals, use of technology and data-driven governance. Let us conclude it. The role of public administration varies across developing and developed societies, but it remains central to governance and public welfare. While it acts as a driver of development in developing nations, it ensures efficiency and quality governance in developed countries. Let us quickly revise it. In developing societies, growth, welfare, transformation. In developed societies, its role is efficiency, regulation, service delivery, and the common goal is public welfare and good governance. Thank you.